All right, so a lot of people know that we do roll cages on XLs. A lot of people don't probably realise that we do roll cages on anything. Behind us here is my my pride and joy, my Falcon, which I've had for many years, which has gone on the back burner since I've started XLs. So I've decided to finally put a cage in it. So we've just at the the start stages at the moment of the prep of it. Over the last 18 months, we've done RX8s. I've done another Falcon, AU Falcon, getting ready to build as a saloon car, some rally stuff, multiple XLs, like I've lost count of how many XLs we've done. I've done some half cages for the JDP here in South Australia. If you're looking for a roll cage, it doesn't matter what car it is, definitely come and see us. We can help you out with something, or we can build something to your specifications. It doesn't matter. Also, something that we will be doing, and I've mentioned it previously, is XLs. We are going to offer a rolling shell package. So it'll be just a basic rolling shell with the roll cage in it, ready for the DIY guy to build at home, or if you've been in an unfortunate situation where you've written a car off and you need to reshell it, this will be a perfect opportunity to be able to do something like that. So we can offer it as a basic package, or we can offer it as, included paint and all sorts. So again, if you're in need of something like that, you need to give me a call and we'll discuss what we can help you with.